For Gerald and Royetta, this ruined their lives.
That is Gerald and Royetta Asapau at a press conference in 2016. They sued the Saginaw County Sheriff's Office after the couple's property was seized when their Shiawassee County farmhouse was raided. The property was seized because their son, Stephen, who was living there, had a marijuana grow operation. Stephen was convicted on drug charges. While a couple of appeal court rulings favored the Astapaus, their attorney, Phil Ellison, says the couple's property, including that farmhouse and a 1965 Chevy Nova, were never returned.
The sheriff was found not to have any right to keep the property. But there's no mechanism in Michigan law that can force us to have a state court require the sheriff to give the property back.
Ellison has now filed a petition with the United States Supreme Court requesting the highest court in the land make new law when it comes to a civil asset forfeiture case like this.
They found all these different excuses and loopholes to try to keep the property they took through this notion of civil asset forfeiture. What we're asking the Supreme Court to effectively do is to close down those loopholes.
This drug and forfeiture case actually began when Charlie Brown was Saginaw County Sheriff. Current Sheriff Bill Fetterspiel inherited the case, and the sheriff's office sold the couple's property. Stephen Ostapau served time in prison. He died in 2022. His mom, Royetta, passed away in 2019.
As I refuse to let this injustice continue when there's the possibility, the real possibility, that this sort of government abuse can be stopped.
I spoke with Sheriff Fetterspiel this afternoon, who says he respects anyone's right to take their case to the highest court in the land, and he will let the process play out before commenting further.